Iran's Air Force received 8 overhauled military aircraft. The overhauled jets are now equipped with cruise missiles that have a range of 1,000 kilometers, 621 miles, increasing Iran's armed forces' combat, offensive, and supportive capabilities. The overhaul is significant because about 90% of Iran's defense equipment is domestically manufactured. Hatami reported that local experts and scientists developed 770 products for the defense industry. Experts and technical staff have overhauled the military transport aircraft, a P-3F, a P-6 fighter, and a Sukhoi Su-24 fighter bomber, while a Mirage and an F-5 fighter were overhauled and reconstructed at Shahid Nasser Habibi airbase. Iran has become one of only a handful of countries capable of performing the servicing and overhaul of its fleet of airplanes, both military and civilian. Iran Aircraft Industries mainly overhauls and inspects different types of airplanes and engines of military and cargo planes. Several fighter jets have been overhauled by military staff in the past month in Iran. In December, domestic experts overhauled 8 combat helicopters in operations, saving the country more than $2 million.